Yo, what's up guys? So today we are going to claim free airdrop from this platform. Okay, so you will see that you'll be able to claim 500 million Songbird token, right? So you just follow the steps on this video and you'll be directed on how to claim this token for free. Okay, so when you click on the link on the description of this video, right, click on the link, right? So what you will do next, when you come over to this page, you have to change this, right? You change this to smart chain. Okay, so you click on that now, so you change it to smart chain. Okay, so make sure you click on smart chain. Okay, so when you click over to smart chain, right, then you will notice that this plat now has been changed. Okay, so you notice that this has been changed to smart chain. Okay, so what you will have to do next now is to claim your 500 million Songbird token, right? So yeah, you click on that. And so guys, remember, so when you want to do this, before that, you have to copy this address here, right? So you have to click this address, the contract address. So now when you click on the contract address, okay, so when you copy the contract address, you click on claim 500 Songbird token. Okay, so guys, so when you have tapped on that claim, you have to come on this part where it says claim token. Okay, so this is where you have to claim now. Okay, so you click on the button there, right? So you click on connect. Okay, so you connect your wallet, right, so that your money will be transferred to your wallet. Okay, and meanwhile this platform airdrop is ending in 30 days, so you hurry up now so you earn a lot of money. Okay, so they'll be launching on 30 days time, so you will notice that you have to approve this token. Okay, approve this token. Okay, you click on approve. So make sure you have a little BNB to cover up this gas fee, right? It's just a gas fee, so make sure you have a little BNB. So now when you click on approve, okay, you just put your code and allow this to move on. Okay, you will notice that we have claimed this token right now. Okay, so what you have to do next now, you just click on the exit button. Okay, so you click on the exit button. Meanwhile, you can claim this airdrop more over and over again. Okay, so when you want to add this token to your wallet, right, so if you want to add this token to your wallet now, you have to click on this button right there above. Okay, so when you click on the button right there above, so you scroll down, make sure you scroll down, right, so you have to click on add custom token, right? So when you click custom token, right, so you have to change this to smart chain. Okay, click on there now so that you'll be able to change this, right? You put it onto smart chain. Now that's with that being said, remember you copy the contract address, right? Remember you copy that. If you don't have the contract address that you'll be able to paste here, make sure you copy it now on the description of this video. And so guys, I will urge you, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and follow us on new updates. So I update you on how to make thousands of dollars online. Okay, you can earn this as much with airdrop. Okay, so guys, so when you tap on this part now and you paste your contract address, you will notice that the symbol and all this now are reflecting, right? You will leave it that way, and what you have to do next now, you click on done. Okay, so make sure you click on down above, and this wallet now will be added to us, and you will see that we have received this coin. Okay, so guys, I'm congratulating you for making this kind of money online, and I'm assuring you that when this token now is being listed, right, so you'll be earning more money on this platform. Okay, so guys, so make sure you follow up on this particular page so that you'll be able to be getting updates on how to make more money like this, and I will see you guys on my next video.